Hi there, can you hear me?
Yes, perfectly. We're setting the clock to 3 minutes now. Feel free to start.
Okay, just before we start, the presentation is okay? Can you still see it nicely?
Yes, perfect. You can go on. Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Hi, my name is Sławek Potash. I am founder and CEO of Carscanner. What does Carscanner do? Well, it scans cars. Let me explain you why this is important. For years, car salespeople have gotten a bad rap. They're often described as pushy and even untruthful, which puts many car buyers, especially online, in a defensive from the very beginning. There are about 6 million cars being auctioned annually in the US alone. This means 6 million cars being graded in a manual process, which is prone to human error, that leads to over $1 billion loss in undetected damages every single year in the US alone. Let me rephrase that for you. It is 2020. We have self-parking cars. We have hydrogen cars. We have cars in space. Yet we still have thousands of car salespeople going around the car every day, noting damages on a piece of paper and taking pictures manually. This is ridiculous. That's why at Carscanner, we're revolutionizing a $100 billion industry with standardized, precise, and robotized car documentation and inspection process. Let me show you how Carscanner works. We provide our customers with embeddable player in which customer can see both the interior and the exterior of the car at the same time. The robot works in a way that it automatically goes around the car and creates high quality body documentation. At the same time, we also provide interior virtual tour. So we provide with this technology our customers with higher conversion rate, and we lower their operational costs by standardization and robotization. Our competitors are huge drive-for-light tunnels, which take over 100,000 US dollars to install, and they occupy over 1,000 square feet with the installation. We provide our solution with an upfront activation fee, and then we charge on pay-per-scan basis. We are scanning over 1,400 cars a month. We've generated over $300,000 of revenue. We have a POC with Porsche, and we are right now negotiating a major distribution agreement with a huge company from the US. We are a Canadian company where tech is being built by an extraordinary team of software, electrical, and mechanical Polish engineers. We are a team of 12, and 10 of us are engineers coming from the automotive background. I am a mechatronic myself with background in industrial cameras. Isabel, our COO, is ex-Procter & Gamble, ABB, and Valeo engineer, and Maciek, our CTO, has over 12 years of experience as a full-stack CTO, and he's also have a background as a hobbyist in robotics. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'm super happy to answer any of your questions.
Super. Thank you very much. We went smoothly to the Q&A session. Are there any questions from our judges? Okay, Angela.
Yes, thanks for the presentation. Very nice. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
So I wanted to ask you if you can elaborate a little bit on the cost savings that your solution brings to your clients.
Sure, of course. So just to give you a quick insight into that, right now one robot can process up to like 100 cars a day, which only needs about 15% as much of an effort that it would take with a human being. So estimating that actually, for example, in Austria, the car documentation process costs about 18 to 20 euros per car for like whole complete documentation. We're only at around two to three euros in a cost. So we are saving pretty much around 17 to 18 euros per car being inspected with our technology.
Thank you.
How many cars do you think you will be scanning in 2 years' time?
We're estimating around 600,000 cars a year in second year, and in third year we're going for a next business model, which will be actually stationary scanning points. And with that, we're looking to hit over 1 million vehicles being scanned a year, including scanning exactly the same vehicle, for example, before service, after service, and so on.
Or rental, right?
Or rentals, exactly. But right now, rentals is the worst thing I can tell you about as a use case right now.
Other questions?
Hey, Slavik. Could you talk a bit more about your go-to-market and how you're approaching and pursuing some avenues to get your product to market?
Sure, of course. So first of all, we're leveraging as much as possible existing customer databases of our distributors. So right now we're working with a company that has 3,800 car dealerships in the US region. And we also just signed a distribution agreement with a company from Turkey that's actually selling software to 800 dealerships across entire Turkey. So we're trying to do that. At the same time, we're engaging with automotive accelerators, like, for example, Plug and Play. And last but not least, we're also working with stationary scanning points, meaning that, for example, right now we're in conversations with franchise of car washing points across the New York State. So that way we can actually scale using their franchise.
Okay, we've still got some time. So one more question. You record the video of the surface, or do you scan it in 3D? And also, do you actually highlight automatically through some sort of computer vision recognition any problems?
Sure, yeah, that's an excellent question. So with 1.0 version that we have already in the market, we are just providing the documentation. Lately, we've received around $1 million from National Center of Research and Development of Poland, NCBR, to actually move forward with automatic classification of dents, scratches, and things around this. And having this in mind, we are actually starting first pilot deployments of machine learning-based picking up of the scratches, dents, actually in first quarter of next year. And also, we're working on making a 3D modeling of undercarriage of electric cars as well with our technology, because actually we're very, very much thinking that accessing the damage of the battery in an electric car will be a huge thing in next few years from now.
Thank you very much, Slavik.
Fantastic.
Just in time.